Adidas is back with another bold step in an innovative and creative direction. In my hand is their latest Climacool model in their crisp white colorway. This sneaker made waves last fall for its futuristic and crazy design. This sneaker, as you can see, is 3D printed and Adidas has finally brought it out for the masses. The sneaker is sleek, minimal, and it's built for breathability. It's perfect for runners who want performance and style, or for tech lovers who can just appreciate all the science and craftsmanship that went into this model. This new Adidas Climacool isn't just about looks. It's the perfect blend of innovation with a design that pushes performance and comfort to the next level. This pair shows Adidas isn't just about making sneakers. They're about shaping the future of footwear. And this is what we have here, you know, something that's different, something that we kind of haven't seen before. Whoever thought of this idea, give them a raise. Adidas is taking things to the next level with this latest Climacool model. This sneaker is built around an advanced 3D lattice structure. The upper and sole come together as one beautiful and breathable unified shell, maximizing airflow and comfort. And I don't think we've seen anything like this before. And as you can see, Adidas just went along and said, forget laces. You don't need these. You don't need them. This slip-on design hugs the foot with a natural adaptive fit that's as comfortable as it is clean. It's all about balance and technical innovation wrapped in minimal lines. This is a very soft off-white color that just highlights every design of this innovative model. This shoe lets light and shadow just dance across its futuristic style. Whether you're out for a run or just flexing a fit like I'll be doing with this shoe, the sneaker just brings style, innovation, science with that, you know, next gen energy, next gen fashion sense. This is going to be a crazy shoe to have on feet for sure. And I can't wait to actually wear these out. And I'm kind of wondering, like, how do I clean these? Like, should I just put them in my bathtub and like take the hose and just like run water over it? Like, how are you going to maintain this when the dirt and stuff is going to get in between? I don't know, but this is going to be real interesting, to be honest with you. Real interesting. Let's get into comfort. This design may be something of the future, but Adidas did not sacrifice on performance to get there. Underneath this bold exterior is a fit system that's engineered for real world movement. This 3D printed sneaker has integrated arch support that keeps your stride stable whether you're walking in the city or going for a run. Apparently the heel of the sneaker, you know, it softens with every step. I did walk around the store with these. I did try these on. I have not wore these in a real world application, but from the few minutes, from the few seconds, from the few moments that I did have these on feet, they felt really, really good. So I feel like I can say that we have comfort and no bulk. This silhouette is also very form-fitting and the shoe moves with you. It's like a second skin, and we have no laces, no pressure points, just this 3D printed sneaker in this lattice construction. So we have no need to stop and adjust anything. You just slide these on your feet and you're good to go. When it comes to quality and craftsmanship of these latest Climacool sneakers, I gotta give these a 10 out of 10. It's just one unified body. You know, there's no way to kind of mess these up in a sense. Like, you can't have loose threading, you can't have glue stains or any of that, because none of that is used. It's just a 3D printer that went along crafting the shoe. So yeah, everything looks great. The shoe is not rough. It's super comfy, super bendable. Like, I don't know how they created these. Like, this is super cool. I like them. I gotta put these on for a full day of wear, figure out an outfit with these. I might have to get a nice Adidas tracksuit to wear these with, but definitely have to put these on this summer, this spring, and I gotta have a fit pick with these because this is ridiculous. This shoe is crazy. You may be wondering, are the Adidas Climacools worth it? So these only cost $140. $140 for a completely 3D printed sneaker is a great price if you ask me, especially with, you know, Jordan 1s being $180, you know, Adidas Superstars being $130, a shoe of the future only being $130, $140, I mean, you know, is great. So if you want this shoe, go ahead and buy it. If you think you can pull these off, once again, go ahead and buy it. This is going to be a very interesting sneaker to have on feet, a very interesting pair to walk around, you know, the streets with. And if you put these on, be ready for some questions, because I know if I saw you wearing these, I'll be like, what the hell is that? You know, great shoe, feels really good, looks really good, looks interesting. So yeah, if you're down to try these out, go ahead and cop them. After all, it's $140, so I'm not really losing anything. Having these sneakers in in hand, the Adidas Climacool 2025-2024/2025 just got me thinking, what's next for Adidas? These 3D printed sneakers isn't just a win. It's not just a step in the right direction. This is a bold step forward for the entire sneaker industry, because if Adidas can do it, that means anyone can. Adidas blended, performance, innovation, style, and design to create a clean, minimal sneaker. So at this point in the game, Adidas isn't just chasing the future, they're currently shaping it. Like this shoe, sneaker companies are probably getting this in hand and trying to figure out, how can we one up this? How can we do better? How can we achieve something greater? Adidas is pushing the boundary, changing the game. I don't know what's next, man, because with a shoe like this, something crazy is to follow.